So my class is done, which was chemistry. It's a 4 hours class because we are working in the lab with different chemicals, and then we have to report the data at the end of the day. So right now I'm doing pull, I'm doing biceps, and I try to work out like around 5 to 6 days a week. I keep one day as a rest. So I try to do it in early in the morning because it's really crowded and it's too much of rush during the afternoon or the evening times because everyone just comes in to work out. So I'm done with my workout and I'm going to my next class, which is a biology class which I'm taking this semester. And this class is sort of really interesting. It's we are studying about like cell biology, bioenergetics, and cell division, and at lastly I think genetics. So this is a pretty much a really an interesting class. I have really liked it. So if you see, there might be no students around me because I'm sitting at the last row. It's really crowded at the front, second row, and the third rows, and all of the front seats are always full. So I like to sit at last and listen to the professor explaining the topics, and I'm noting down all his what we call notes, so I can go home and do a review of it. This is a sort of like a heavy course. Actually, you need to remember a lot of things, and it has like 3 midterms, final exams. We have labs, and I think we have quizzes also, which is done in the phone. I think so. Like I'm almost done with the class, I think, but I had to note down a lot of things because now all the heavy topics has started. Today we studied about something called fungi and plants, and next week is gonna be something about animals with genetics. Yeah, so I'm too tired. I'm gonna go. So now I'm done with 2 of my classes. I'm gonna head towards to the library to study something or take notes because I think it's best for a student or anyone to revise after you're done with the class immediately or the same day or next day because it helps you a lot to remember the things. So that's what I do after every class. If I have a small gap, like right now I have a 1 hour gap till my next class, so I'm just completing all the notes I have taken. I'm finishing them and going through them once more, and so I can see what I have to cover on weekends. So yeah, and I'm done, and I'm heading out. And it's been a long day. It's I think around 2 p.m. right now, and I have one more class, I guess. So I'm done with my everything. I'm gonna head home, grab something before I go home, and then relax and come back for my last class, which is after 5 hours, which is at I think around at 6 or 7 or something. So I need to eat my protein. So I grabbed something from my local what we call grocery shop, and then I'm reviewing some. So mostly I just check emails and any sort of things which I missed today or need to cover tomorrow. So yeah, otherwise I mostly like to watch YouTube videos, and one of my favorite is the Outdoor Boys. I love them. I watch them every day. It's because camping is something I really like, and watching this dude, I have learned a lot of things which I'm gonna try maybe next winter, I guess. Hopefully, let's see. back and I'm going for my last class, which is ABS 1010. It's a agriculture course. It's an elective which I'm taking this semester, and it's really fun. I enjoy it a lot. It's, I think, one of the easiest course I have taken so far, and the professor is so nice. So yeah, it's basically I don't know. It talks about simple thing about food, food chain, etc. As you can see, the class is empty because I came really early. I think half an hour early. So yeah. So this is, as I told you, this is a very interesting class, and before the class I always try to watch the recorded lecture or go through the material. Like, I don't read or everything, I just have a quick glance and see what's going on, what the professor is going to teach today, which helps me a lot and makes me more interested. So yeah, and I don't know, the professor is sort of late at today, I think. So in this course we have a in-class quiz every class, which is, I think, 20% of the final grade. And right now teacher is giving us all the test papers, so that's why, I've been looking at her right now. I was scared she might find out I'm recording. So I'm done with my class. I'm back home. I'm playing some online games because it was a too really long day and tiring day. So I always play games to relax my mind. So yeah. So at the end of the day, I always try to do something productive. Like, not productive, I'm just prepared for the next day, what's coming, what's going on, what classes I have to next day, is there anything I need to prepare for. So even though I'm not taking any comp classes this semesters, but yet I'm coding because I just wanna keep my skills strong till my next class for the comp. Here I'm coding some project which I'm doing all alone. It's I've been tired of decoding it for last, what, I think an hour before I go to sleep. That's what I do every night before I go to sleep, or if I'm not feeling sleepy, so I just code few things, working on my side projects, doing some lead codes just to keep my skills and my touch on the coding. So it's around I think yeah, it's around 11 p.m. right now, and I'm done with all my classes and I'm done with my day. I'm gonna quickly review all the footage and check if I'm missing anything. Hopefully not. But yeah, thank you a lot for watching it, and I hope you really enjoyed it. If you want to see anything else around the campus, or you want to see something in the campus, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to show you guys. Other than that, thank you again.